all the parts in that are needed to get the project started. The rear driver's side caliper that was on vacation, I got a rebuilt one in. 4 new rotors, drilled and slotted, ceramic pads to go along with it, oil change along with the filter. The front caliper freezing, I believe, is going to be a brake line. Most of the time that's usually the issue, so I'm going to do that first before I go and throw another $50 in a rebuilt caliper that way. Never dull for the rims, and all these products just for the front bumper. We got automotive touch-up black. I did a test panel and it matches almost 100%. 2 coats of clear, flexible primer to reprime the bumper so that it doesn't, paint doesn't crack off, and plastic bumper filler. And last but not least, the supercharger intercooler pump, which is completely locked up on this car. That'll be beneficial. So all of this should complete the package. Hopefully I can get this done in about a day, maybe a day and a half at the most. That bumper cover is going to be the biggest thing, followed by the brakes. Oil change is nothing. That pump, nothing. So we're going to see. And cut and buff. Maybe fill in some of those rock chips that are on the hood. And we'll go from there. Today I'm going to be taking off the front bumper cover, removing the headlights, and I may even address this hood. It's in worse shape than I thought. That dirt that was on there was covering up quite a bit of these rock chips that are there. Not so bad, but it's more so the rust that's forming underneath. I should be able to cover up most of them, but we'll see how it's going to work out, how much paint I'm going to have left. Paint is always an issue with me, I guess. Got a little crack here, that's no big deal. All these chips. Looks like this probably was painted before, and whoever did it did not do a good job. I'm going to do a better job. I also may have left out that we had a peeling paint issue. I don't know why all these GM products have this peeling paint issue. But yeah, the clear coat's coming off. I should be able to blend this in pretty good. Gonna get all this off and make it work. Okay, it's time to tackle the intercooler pump or charged cooler pump, whatever you want to call it. But all you're going to need is a pair of pliers, vice grips, a number 13 socket, and something to catch the fluid with. Actually, this is the fluid left over from the red line. Haven't had time to get to it to change it. I'll actually dispose of it. Let's get some light on this. I already removed the dongle for testing purposes, but yeah, it's out of the way now. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is remove or drain the system so that this doesn't make a bigger mess than what it already is or will be. See if I can do this one-handed. I should get a bigger pair of vice grips. Two-handed it will. Off. See if we can get the upper one. Right, yeah. got a first layer of flexible Bondo in here just to set the stage for everything. Let's give you an idea how much more I have to go. Got a little straight edge. And see where I have to put the filler. Perfect. Dead center. Alright, the trailer hitch indentation is all but gone. Took a while, a lot of sanding. Look at the table. Lots of sanding. Too late to prime now. I'll do this tomorrow once I get the car out of the garage. The car right now, I thought I'll be further along, but the intercooler pump was bad. The one I bought from Amazon turned out to be a dud, and also the power that was going to the pump wasn't getting there. The ground wire was broke somewhere in line, so I regrounded it directly to the housing. Let's see if I can show you what I did. It's right there. That's the new pump. It doesn't function at all. Actually, the old pump was working slightly, but it's not worth putting in. I have a Bosch pump on the way, so I don't have to worry about this anymore, but I can't do anything really until I get this done. I was going to get this done first, do the brakes, and go on from there. But now this is kind of stopping me. I have to jack the car back up, get up under it again to redo this once the new pump gets here. Hopefully by Friday. But I'm going to start on the rotors now, at least on the front. I might get that back one also. Well, let's see if she's still here. Let's see if anybody else pulled any more parts off of it. I might take the shift knob myself if it's still here. Why don't they put that hood on it? They must be getting ready to take these. Shift knob still there. Someone's already grabbed the supercharger and the cooler. Took the wing off of it. Yeah, they getting ready to take this out. They're putting stuff all back inside the car already. Let's see about this shift knob. Well, they snatched the head, everything off. Well, this is going to be the donor car for the Chevrolet emblem and the headlight. I'll show you the Pontiac G5 headlights in a second, but I think these will do. So Pontiac G5, it's got the blacked out background. That's a crack right here. I think these will actually look better on the black car, but it's an extra $60. Actually $30, and they're not in the best condition. Then we're going to leave them. Well, surprise, surprise, here we go again. Another problem. As I was cleaning the headlights, passenger side cleaned up well. I had to give it another round of sanding and polishing. As I was cleaning the driver's side, I noticed that it had contamination on the inside and also water stains and marks. Contaminating the lens on the inside looks horrible, unsavable. So I just ran off to the junkyard and picked up this guy, which cleaned up quite well, but there is a difference. the light is amber off of this Cobalt versus clear on the SS. I don't know if this is a year-to-year thing or what. I should have did a little more research before I just went and grabbed something. Also, the trim ring around the edge is black on these lights, and it's clear on this one. Whether to make a difference on the car, I don't know. It may. I'm just going to toss this guy in the trunk and let whoever buys it, let them deal with it, I guess. But it also looks like there's a slight tint on this compared to this. I could be wrong. It looks a little slightly shaded versus this is completely clear. It should be okay. Thanks for watching.